Talk about Christmas. Every time I do an unboxing video, I always feel like it's Christmas. Because I love to discover new stuff. In any event, so today I was looking for a little fluffy thing to go over my microphone for my other computer, for my narration. And I found this box in my closet. And I remember at one time, I saw this box and I said, I remember at one time this box had all eyeshadows in it. It was just filled with eyeshadows. But it got so old that all the eyeshadows fell out. I'd forgotten that fact. So I thought, wow, this is great. I just found a ton of eyeshadows, right? I opened it up. There were some eyeshadows in here, but I must have thrown away I threw away the eyeshadows. But you gotta see what I found in the box. It's Christmas again. Let's take a look together. All right. You ready? Because to me, this is always exciting, you know. All right. Look at this. This is stuff. Most of this is brand new stuff. The Color Institute. Brand new. Look at that. There's still plastic on it. Never been used. Eyeshadow. Look at that. Absolutely magnificent. And then this. CoverGirl. Looks like I bought it at Kmart. We don't even have a Kmart here anymore. Look. Pressed powder. Look at that. And it's ivory to match my skin. Look, still in the box. Estee Lauder. Pure Color eyeshadow. It's Estee Lauder. Hasn't even been opened. Still in the box. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Can't believe it. Yeah, it's one single eyeshadow. Look at that. Never used. It's like a very light purple. Never used. Beautiful. It's like getting an unboxing from a makeup company. But I must have bought this stuff years and years ago. Now, some of the stuff that was with this, I remember bringing with me for the shoot for the movie that I was in about 4 years ago. I was in a movie. And I brought a lot of makeup with me. So some of it, that's what I bought it for and didn't end up using it. Look at that. Brow pencil. Probably brand new. I mean, this is unbelievable. I have a couple of things here that I know are not new. A couple of eyeshadows here that have been used. But look at more brushes. Check this out. Look at the handle on this thing. More brushes, and that's definitely been used because powder's coming off of it. I got more brushes than I know what to do. I just never knew. I totally forgot this was in here. I think I do remember now, if I think back, that, you know, after the movie was over, when we were done filming, I took a lot of makeup. I bought some makeup, stuff like that I never used. And obviously this was empty and it was a good place to put things. Look at mascara. Everybody who knows me knows I rarely ever wear mascara. So this has to be new. Looks new. It's Wonder Lash. Yep. Nice. I might actually start wearing some mascara if I can find one. And this too. Actually, you know what? I just got something like this in one of my boxings. Something similar to this. Not this, obviously, because this is Avon. But this is like 2 different types of mascaras. But this has been used, I can tell. More eyeshadow that's been used. Look at that. Look at these colors. Gold. These are shimmery colors. I like that. My goodness gracious, look at all this stuff. I mean, this is seriously like, I don't even know what this is. What is this? Avon Anew Eye Lifting Serum and Shadow all in one. Really? Huh. I didn't even know I had that. I forgot all about these things. Here we go. Maybelline. Eyeshadow. It's a white eyeshadow. I remember probably like back in the 90s or early 2000s, I used to use white eyeshadow to kind of give a little glow to my regular eyeshadow. That's probably what this is from, so that makes it old. Yeah, there's a couple in here there's a couple of little palette eyeshadows in here. There's a new eyeshadow, never been used. Another one, never been used. Look at these, brand new. These are pretty colors. More eyeshadows. Wow. Wow, there's some lipsticks in here too. Another brush. Look at this. Oh, that's a dark red. I don't even wear reds like that anymore. I could see I used to wear this. Probably going to just go in the garbage. And a small brush. You know, so I brought everything with me to the movie for the shoot. I don't know how much of it I actually used. I used to use pencils a lot. Eyebrow pencils and eyeliner pencils. Rather, this is what's this one? Master Drama by Eye Studio, Maybelline. Maybelline pencil. Wow. Well, I've got a lot more. I got a lot more makeup to use for my tutorials and to try out and see what kind of effects I can get that I can pass on to you. I hope you, I didn't expect to do a video tonight, but I wanted to show you all this as I discovered it. It's just like an unboxing. It's really interesting. I don't even know where I got half of these. Probably the drugstore. Because, but it's, well, this one I know where I got it. Kmart. These other ones must fit in here when this one's done. That's pretty cool. So this is really cool. This was like a lovely discovery for me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't much, but I hope you enjoyed it anyways. And we'll be using this stuff in the near future, so have a great day. Bye.